Are you... Yeah, you're just walking in, I think. Oh my god! Alright, see you later.
Do something mischievous!
Here's a knife. Ow! I gave you a knife and you stabbed the shit out of me!
What the fuck?
Fucking power move it.
No!
Fuck you, bitch.
Yep, I'm naked.
I am naked. Very cool. Dane TDM! I'm gonna go do my job.
What's your job?
I don't know. I just sit right next to you.
I don't know either.
We just gotta sit there and listen to their problems. Are we just therapists? That's the thing. If we get what is wrong with your what is this? And then I'm thinking we could just fucking dig all night.
Yeah.
Something.
Make a bed dummy.
Okay, I need a shit ton of pillows. Do we need 2 or 1?
Oh, I think it's 2 pillows and a bed sheet. Loot him.
Oh, this cop dies. I got a key card. I got a red key.
Wait, put it back. He'll know that you took it from him, dipshit.
So what? They're not gonna fight in my hidden compartment.
No.
Big brain move. Return to your cell. Big brain move. Oh, okay. Got it. So apparently the dog can pick up the key card with his teeth. That's a thing. I have a secret bed ready.
What the fuck?
Why is there lockdown?
Oh, we didn't fucking go to the check thing. They're gonna check me.
I went to it. Oh, you didn't go. Okay.
They beat me up. Hey, do I go back? I think I... Oh, returns to cell. Wait, you kidding me? If we get sent to solitary, we can just walk around.
Yeah, I know. That's what I did.
Yo.
There's space to use. How the fuck do I use it?
Space.
I'm pressing space. Nothing's happening.
You have to have it. You have to have it equipped.
It is fucking equipped.
Just fucking walk in here.
Press space to use.
What are you trying to use? What are you trying to use?
Why can't I use the poster? I want to use the poster, man.
Oh, you use the poster if there's a hole in the wall.
Oh, well, I just have to hold it? This fucking game is...
I'm gonna go to my cell. I broke into someone's fucking room and just beat the shit out of them.
I know exactly what it is.
Found.
No idea.
Wait, is that in your room?
I don't think so. Follow me.
It is! You need to beat this officer up. He found some damage in your room.
Why did he find damage? I didn't do anything. What up? Oh, oi, fucker! Chipping, cutting, or digging?
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna choose digging. I'm gonna dig. Before you start getting mud under your nails, I've got a quick task for you. I've marked a location on your map, a note I've placed in a room for you to go and read. Follow the green arrow to the note, take a look, then come back to me. Okay, so this guy's reward escape. This guy actually tells us how to get out.
Got him! Got him!
The guards don't patrol by this fence. It's a prime location to cut out. Be careful though, guard towers will see any tampering with the fence during daylight. We need to put pillows on our beds and get in through the vents to get outside at nighttime. And then we need to cut through the backmost fence. That's what we need to do. We have a plan now! Let's fucking go! Connor, where are you? Let's regroup.
I'm on my way to the pharmacy. For beating a
Why
guy who looks a lot like me.
Why? I figured out how to escape and you're still murdering people. Okay. It's, by the way, it's 100% about to get to a 5-star because I didn't go to lunch. Why? I literally just got murdered for no real reason. How about a new ending? How about we sue the cops for injustice?
I took your file.
You fucking little nick.
And then I flushed it.
I don't think we can be friends anymore. Yes, yes, get up here, get up here. Go. Okay, then put the vent cover back on. Come on, quickly. Oh my god, it's 6 o'clock already. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. We have 1 more hour. Okay, run. Follow me. Let's go. Okay, then we just go straight down. And then, from here, we just take it right. Fuck, we don't have enough time. We have to go back. We don't have enough time, dude. It's 6 o'clock already.
We're supposed to go from here.
We take this. Oh, fuck. We take this.
How?
Screw this.
I guess I don't understand what your plan was.
We got the perfect plan. Okay. Hop down. Go. Follow. This door is locked!
Yeah, that's the bad part about your plan.
Alright, so here's what my intended plan was. Follow me. What we were going to do is we were going to go down here. Fuck, you know what? Let's go to breakfast first. Fucking god damn it. That door should not have been locked. Yeah, because like if you can manage to get outside with a file and put a bed dummy out on your bed, I feel like we could just walk out like that. Only during nighttime though. The guards don't patrol by this fence. It's a prime location to cut out. Be careful though, guard towers will see you tampering the fence during the daylight. Yeah, let's try this. After roll call, it's bedtime, so you better hurry up.
I'm putting my dummy in. Dummy's in.
Do you remember where to go?
Oh, I have to go to roll call real quick.
Oh, we don't need to go to roll call.
Yeah, we will, because then they'll come looking for us out at the gate.
I don't think so. Okay. And then don't go at it yet. Wait until it's bedtime, and then after bedtime, we're gonna start going at it.
Dipshit.
Why the fuck? This game is actually garbage. I get sniped in the fucking face because I don't meet someone at lockdown.
No. The dogs came for you. That's what I was saying, dude.
I get fucking sniped for not meeting up at the fucking middle of the prison. I actually want to file a lawsuit. That made 0 sense. That's so garbage.
Also, I got halfway through the fence.
So literally the only problem with that plan was the fact that I didn't go to roll call. It's locked down.
Yeah, I realized that. I could not give a shit.
Move on.
See ya.
We didn't get the half a star, so it don't matter.
I wanted to do really good at my job.
Hey, shut up. Shut up. You can paint when we leave. You're just sobbing in the middle of this shit with a paintbrush in your hands. I will fucking leave.
Okay, hold on. This is a bitch right here. Has the same name as you. Look at that. Why the fuck did you beat the shit out of him?
And I took his milk.
Wait, come here. Sit down with me. Let's admire the place before we're gone.
Why would you say that out loud?
Walk with me.
Man, am I sure happy to escape this prison.
No, shift. Hold shift. Walk with me. Mainly because I gotta go put up my bed.
Close. Thank you.
I gotta go put up my bed.
You are correct, I should do that too.
We should actually wait until roll call, but I'll keep it on me. I'll just not get
I'm just
attacked.
gonna put it in right now. Fuck it, I'm gonna put it in right now.
Okay, well I'm gonna keep it. The walking animation on God is so smooth.
Okay.
Where you at? Where you at? Oh, there you are. Hi.
I'm ready. I'm fucking ready, dog. Man, am I sure happy to escape this prison today? How about you, Code Connor?
I'm loving it. Let's go sit in the sound lounges.
Can we go in there? Oh yeah, we can. There's no sun in neither spots that we're in.
Don't worry about
That's
it.
these two spots.
Actually, you know what?
Oh, dude, look at that RTX shading.
I don't know if I want to escape. Like, honestly?
Yeah, like we're fed, free every day, free rent.
Nice.
That's what I'm
Get the
saying.
fuck out of here. Bitch. Okay. Right there.
Okay, and just wait. And
Oh
wait.
my god,
no,
it's still there.
Not. Why would you do that?
Fuck! 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 Dig it! Dig it! God! Nig it! Nig!
Oh, there's no reason to. Okay, let's go. Run! Go outside! Run!
Wait, should we?
Yeah, just fucking go!
Stop by roll call for us.
No, fuck it! Just fucking go! Fucking go!
Damn it. Fuck you. Go, 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 go! They're gonna wonder why these two people...
Imagine a fucking sniper scope just appears on our head. We got it! Let's go! Wait, what? There's a camera. Let's fucking go, dude. We fucking got it. I can finally fucking end the video.